Stony Brook's $20 million semiconductor research facility, the future of clean energy tech. The semiconductor arms race just got a major New York upgrade, and it could reshape everything from your electric car to national security. Stony Brook University is partnering with semiconductor giant onsemi to build a groundbreaking $20 million research hub dedicated entirely to silicon carbide (SiC) technology. Announced by Governor Kathy Hochul on July 17, this public-private powerhouse aims to supercharge America's semiconductor independence while tackling clean energy's toughest challenges. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this investment enough to truly challenge Asia's dominance in this critical field? Silicon carbide isn't just another tech buzzword, it's the secret sauce behind next-gen electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Unlike traditional chips, SiC handles extreme heat and voltage with unmatched efficiency, meaning longer-range EVs and more resilient power grids. The new Center for Silicon Carbide Crystal Growth will crack the code on mass-producing these superior crystals, with a laser focus on growing larger, higher-quality specimens. This could dramatically lower costs and accelerate adoption. Imagine electric cars charging 30% faster or solar farms losing far less energy in conversion. But here's the catch: crystal growth is notoriously complex and expensive. Can this center realistically overcome these hurdles? Let's break down the money trail. onsemi kicks in $8 million for operations, Stony Brook invests $10 million in renovations and gear, and Empire State Development adds up to $2 million. Leading the charge is Professor Michael Dudley, a veritable rockstar in SiC research with 30-plus years of experience, alongside Professors Bolaji Raghothamakar and Dilip Joseph. Their mission: create a crystal growth playground where students and industry partners can experiment with real-world production techniques. What makes this truly revolutionary is the access model. Through consortium agreements, everyone from raw material suppliers to equipment manufacturers can test products directly in the facility. This creates an unprecedented talent pipeline. Students get hands-on training with cutting-edge furnaces, polishing systems, and metrology tools, while companies gain priceless R&D insights. Stony Brook will even launch dedicated academic programs, including an undergraduate minor and graduate degrees, specifically for SiC and wide bandgap semiconductors. But here's the twist that's sparking debate. While politicians tout this as a national security win, and rightly so, semiconductors are the new oil, critics argue that $20 million is a drop in the bucket compared to the $52 billion CHIPS Act. Can a single university lab really move the needle against international rivals? Governor Hochul believes so, stating this facility will cement New York's status as the chips capital. Industry veteran Dinesh Ramanathan of onsemi agrees, calling it key to accelerating AI and electrification. Even incoming Stony Brook President Andrea Goldsmith, a semiconductor startup founder herself, sees this as a career launchpad for students entering high-skill, high-demand fields. Set to open in early 2027, the center represents more than just technology, it's an economic catalyst. As Empire State Development's Kevin Law notes, it'll create exciting career pathways while establishing Long Island as an innovation powerhouse. SUNY Chancellor John B. King Jr. sees it fulfilling Governor Hochul's mandate for SUNY to lead semiconductor R&D. So we put it to you, is this partnership a genuine game-changer for American tech independence, or just another taxpayer-funded science project? With global semiconductor supremacy hanging in the balance, and our clean energy future at stake, where should we really be investing? Sound off in the comments. Stony Brook University's $20 million Semiconductor Research Center, Future of Silicon Carbide Technology. A groundbreaking initiative is underway at Stony Brook University, where a state-of-the-art semiconductor research and development facility is set to rise. This ambitious project, with a budget of $20 million, will be located on the university's campus in Suffolk County, Long Island. The collaboration between Stony Brook University and onsemi, the leading manufacturer of silicon carbide power semiconductors in the United States, marks a significant step forward in semiconductor research. This endeavor is made possible through a public-private partnership, which includes an operational investment of $8 million from onsemi, alongside a $2 million grant from Empire State Development. Stony Brook University is also contributing $10 million for renovations and the acquisition of necessary equipment. The new facility will be situated in the West Campus Engineering Quad and is anticipated to commence operations by early 2027. The primary focus of this center will be on enhancing the growth, processing, and measurement of silicon carbide (SiC) crystals. This advancement is crucial as it aims to lower costs and elevate the quality of SiC power electronics, which are essential for high-performance and clean energy systems. Furthermore, the center will act as a vital research and training hub for both university students and industry professionals, with opportunities for collaboration through consortium agreements with industrial partners. In addition to the research initiatives, Stony Brook University plans to launch new academic programs, including a graduate certificate and a master's degree specializing in silicon carbide and wide bandgap semiconductors. The center will be led by Professor Michael Dudley, a seasoned expert in SiC technologies, alongside Professors Balaji Raghothamakar and Dilip Joseph from the Department of Materials Science and Chemical Engineering. This development raises intriguing questions about the future of semiconductor technology and its implications for clean energy. How will this new facility impact the industry and the environment? What are your thoughts on the role of academic institutions in advancing technology? Join the conversation and share your opinions. onsemi's $20 million Semiconductor R&D Center in New York, revolutionizing silicon carbide technology. Imagine a $20 million investment sparking a new era in semiconductor innovation right in the heart of New York. onsemi, the leading US-based manufacturer specializing in silicon carbide (SiC) power semiconductors, has announced an ambitious plan to establish a cutting-edge research and development center at Stony Brook University. But here's where it gets truly exciting: the focus will be on mastering the growth, processing, and precise measurement of silicon carbide crystals, aiming to produce larger and higher quality crystals than ever before. Silicon carbide isn't just any material, it's a cornerstone of next-generation semiconductor technology. This compound plays an essential role in powering advanced electric vehicles and building more efficient, eco-friendly energy systems. As the world shifts toward cleaner technology, the demand for superior SiC components is skyrocketing. The new center promises to push the boundaries of what's possible in this critical field. The investment breakdown shows strong collaboration. onsemi will dedicate $8 million to keep the center operational, while Stony Brook University commits $10 million for upgrading the facilities and acquiring state-of-the-art equipment. Additionally, Empire State Development is backing the project with a capital grant up to $2 million, a recommendation from the Long Island Regional Economic Development Council. Dinesh Ramanathan, onsemi's Senior Vice President of Corporate Strategy, highlights how advanced power semiconductors are fundamental to accelerating the adoption of transformative technologies like artificial intelligence and widespread electrification. This new center will be instrumental in fast-tracking innovations in one of the most pivotal areas driving these global megatrends, he emphasizes. Stony Brook University isn't going it alone. They plan to collaborate closely with various industry players including crystal growers, equipment manufacturers, raw material suppliers, and research laboratories. These partners will have hands-on opportunities to engage with the silicon carbide growth process, testing new products and ideas in a dynamic, real-world setting. New York Governor Kathy Hochul hailed the announcement as a significant stride toward reshoring the semiconductor industry in the United States. She emphasized that strengthening this sector is not only vital for national security but also reinforces New York's growing reputation as a major hub for semiconductor innovation. And this is the part most people miss: While this facility highlights a remarkable public-private partnership aimed at technological leadership, it also raises questions about the broader geopolitical race for semiconductor supremacy. How will this investment shape the global supply chain? Will it truly accelerate U.S. competitiveness in a field dominated by international players? What do you think? Could such strategic investments reshape the future of technology manufacturing, or are there hidden challenges ahead? Share your thoughts below.